This is the video when I stormed the arena of the primaries in Uwani local government area, Enugu State. The kind of crowd that came out for me voluntarily, willingly to support Mathias Ezeaku as a contestant become so massive. Remember that we are 6 contestants in Uwani local government area. And unfortunately, the crowd following Ezeaku becomes more in number than the crowds waiting for the other 6 contestants there. So when they noticed that I pulled out massive crowd because of the massive love the people of Uwani have for me, the people of Southeast have for me because of the great job I have done in the Southeast, the people of Igbo have for me, and tension was on every one of them. The next thing they do is that Professor Akubua, who is projecting Fidani, now went and sees our result material, our result sheet material. Remember, it's not a surprise to me because Professor Akubue Austin, the man you are seeing his picture here right now, he confronted me at K-Class Hotel, Wuse 5 in Abuja, openly, publicly, and told me that Ezeaku, I should go back to the east, that the NDC ticket has already been projected to Fidan by him, that he's projecting the ticket to Fidan, that Fidan is the Okwinwodo's lawyer for over years now. And I confronted him instantly, and I told Professor Akubue, listen to me, I did not join NDC because anyone joins. I joined NDC 5 months ago. Barrister Ikenna is my witness. I joined NDC 5 months ago because I wanted to contest for governor. Then I googled a new registered party in Nigeria. I saw NDC. I flew to Abuja. I went to the NDC office, met with Barrister Ikenna, who is our national secretary. I sat with him in his office. I told him my plan, that I want to contest for governor with NDC. He, Barrister Ikenna, our national secretary, is my witness, that I want to take the party down to Enugu State. He told me that they have given the party to someone in Enugu to manage as state chairman, which is Engineer Ibuchukwu Obeta. Our national secretary called Engineer Ibuchukwu Obeta, my state chairman, in my presence, and told him that Mathias Ezeaku will come to meet with him in Enugu so that we can forge ahead. And I met with him in Enugu. And I flew down to Enugu, met with my state chairman. Since then, we started working on how this, and since then, we started working on the progress. Now, my people advise me that governorship in Enugu, traditionally, it goes through rotation. That is just coming out from my own zone, which is Enugu North. That I should go for Federal House of Rep. That our own local government has not been in that position for over 16 years. That the Federal House of Rep is zoning to my own local government. I now stepped into Federal House of Rep. Akubo, I made Akubo to know that he just joined NDC as of yesterday. I told Akubo, you are not the one that bought the ticket for me. You are not the one that bought the expression form for me. And I trust my capacity and what I can do. That is why I come out to save my people. Why is Akubo fighting me? Professor Akubo, why are you fighting me? So I am crying out loud to the leaders of NDC, Nigeria Democratic Congress. This is service to the people. Let us represent what our leader, our national leader, is telling us. Our national leaders, the distinguished Senator Saraki, have made it clear and open that NDC is not just a party but a platform whereby those who want the good of Nigeria should come and join. And that is why we are here. Now, Akubo, you went and seized the result sheet. For what reason? Not because I warn you and warn your evil agendas against me. Because I warn it comes down. So I need justice. Let justice prevail. Let justice prevail. Let justice prevail. Let justice prevail. I'm somebody whom my people love so much. I'm somebody who have helped a lot of people in the Southeast. I built a free hospital for the less privileged. I have built over 32 houses to the homeless people. I have took a lot of people to India for different surgeries. I have done a lot, healed over 6,500 people medically. I don't know what my people want again from me that I have not done for them. And that is why they are clamoring morning and night that they need me, Mathias Ezeaku, to go and represent them in the Federal House of Representatives. So nobody should take away my mandate. At Etiti, the two local governments that made up my federal constituency, which is Uwani and Etiti. In Etiti, I was the only one that conducted the election. Other 5 contestants didn't conduct a single election in Etiti. If I'm lying, let them show their video. I am the only person that conducted the election in Etiti local government, because all the contestants comes from my local government, Uwani. And the instruction is that we should conduct election in Etiti and as well in Uwani, in the whole local government that made up your constituency, and I did. So why is Professor Akube seizing the result sheet, fighting my local government chairman, beating my local government chairman to struggle with his tongue? If you say you trust Fidan, the person you are projecting this ticket for, why can't you guys come out to the field? Let us do what the party instructed us to do. Let's do counting. So I'm crying for the party leadership. I control over 10 million people in the southeast. There is nobody today in Enugu State that will even contest governorship with me. And if the election goes through free and fair, and the person is going to win me, it's not possible. Because I know what I have done to my people, and my people loves me so much. So, Professor Kubo, all your propaganda, you see them bringing religious propaganda, religion that I'm not a Christian, and then that I'm proudly not a Christian, I'm a traditionalist. I'm not contesting to be a bishop or a reverend father. I am contesting to exercise my right. It's my fundamental human right, because there is freedom of worship in Nigeria, in our constitution. The Muslims are in NDC contesting. The Christians are in NDC contesting. Now, why must it be a crime for Ezeaku as a traditionalist to contest with NDC? And I am the only proudly traditionalist today, well known in Africa, in Nigeria, that is contesting under NDC. Thousands of tickets, thousands of Muslims are contesting, thousands of Christians are contesting, and the only Ezeaku for traditionalist. How does it become a crime for only one person as a well-known traditionalist to contest? The party leadership in Nigeria will have to balance things. Muslims are there, Christians are there. Then why are you doing propaganda right up that Ezeaku is not a Christian? Is my community owned by Christian? Is Igbo land owned by Christian? Is Southeast owned by Christian? It is owned by our ancestors, forefathers. They are the founder of where we came from. If you say that you have what it takes to represent our people, come out to the field. That is why the party say we should go and do primaries. Keep sharing this video until you get to the authority. Keep tagging our leaders, our national secretary, national chairman, our national leader. Keep tagging every one of them. Because this party NDC stands for justice, for equity, and for progress. Thank you very much. I remember Ezeaku. I am the leader of Women and Abuzi Ezokunan worldwide. Nobody should tamper with my mandate. Professor Kubo, you are already a failure. Because if not that you are a failure, you have come out with whom you are projecting to give the ticket to the field. Let us do what the party instructed us to do. Thank you very much. Keep on sharing this video. Justice must prevail. Thank you very much.